Welcome to Lecture 3 on cell structure and function. In this lecture, we will provide an overview of cell biology, discuss cellular organelles and their functions, and explore metabolism and energy production within cells. 1. Overview of cell biology. Cell biology is the study of cells, which are the basic building blocks of life. 1. All living organisms, whether they are single-celled or multicellular, are composed of cells. 1. Cells carry out various vital functions necessary for the survival and functioning of living organisms. 1. The study of cell biology helps us understand how organisms grow, develop, and maintain homeostasis. There are two main types of cells. A. Prokaryotic cells. These are simple cells without a true nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. Bacteria and archaea are examples of prokaryotic cells. B. Eukaryotic cells. These are complex cells with a true nucleus and various membrane-bound organelles. Plants, animals, fungi, and protists are examples of eukaryotic cells. Cellular organelles and their functions. Organelles are specialized structures within a cell that perform specific functions, contributing to the overall cellular activities. Let's discuss some of the essential organelles found in eukaryotic cells and their functions. A. Nucleus. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, DNA, and serves as the control center of the cell, regulating gene expression and coordinating cellular activities. B. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. They are involved in cellular respiration, where they convert nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. The is a network of membranes involved in protein synthesis, folding, and transport. It can be a rough with ribosomes, or a smooth without ribosomes. D. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport to their specific destinations within or outside the cell. E. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles that contain digestive enzymes. They help break down waste materials and cellular debris. F. Vacuoles. In plants, vacuoles are large membrane-bound sacs that store water, nutrients, and waste products in plant cells. G. Chloroplasts. In plants, chloroplasts are involved in photosynthesis, where they capture light energy and convert it into chemical energy, glucose, in the presence of carbon dioxide and water. Metabolism and energy production within cells. Cellular metabolism refers to the set of chemical reactions that occur within a cell to maintain life. These reactions involve the processing of nutrients, energy production, and the synthesis of essential molecules. One of the central processes in cellular metabolism is cellular respiration, which takes place in the mitochondria of eukaryotic cells. During cellular respiration, cells break down glucose and other nutrients in the presence of oxygen to produce ATP, which is used as energy to power various cellular activities. The overall equation for cellular respiration is glucose plus oxygen right pointing arrow carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP. In addition to cellular respiration, some organisms, such as plants, undergo photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which cells, primarily in chloroplasts, convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy, glucose, while releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Photosynthesis equation: carbon dioxide plus water plus light energy right pointing arrow glucose plus oxygen. These processes, cellular respiration and photosynthesis, are crucial for the energy flow in ecosystems and the sustenance of life on Earth. That concludes our overview of cell biology, cellular organelles, and metabolism within cells. Understanding these fundamental aspects of cell structure and function is essential for comprehending the complexities of life and biological systems. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.